because capturing data is easy, but storing it can be kind of difficult, and then processing it can be kind of difficult. So you've got your storage capabilities of cloud storage, an SD card, maybe putting it on a live feed like to YouTube or Facebook where it's being recorded and is right there for the world to see, or you can put it on an external hard drive. So I use multiple storage capabilities. Why? Because I believe in redundancy. I can't tell you how many times that my data will get lost in one system and I'll have it on another. So for the 11-month project, I still have all the SD cards that I flew on it. I've got 3 external hard drives that's got the data, and a lot of the data is in cloud. And my drone can carry up to 16 gigs of stored cloud data. Now, when I start to go over 16, I've got my drone set so that it'll erase the oldest data. So if you're flying a lot of missions and you're doing a lot of things, your cloud storage may not be enough to hold on to your data when you're in the air. And also, you can pay for servers to get your cloud storage. There are a variety of different costs, a variety of different types of accessibility to being able to acquire that data. But you want to make sure that redundancy and having multiple sources to store that data. Why? Because you're going to have to post-produce that data eventually. And being able to find it is just as much the key as recording the data when you're out on the field.